NetWorker version 18.1 and later includes a feature to enable a VMware group to dynamically select a virtual machine for backup from the vCenter inventory. To configure this feature, open the Network Management console and select the Protection tab. In the left navigation pane, select Groups. Right-click on Groups and select New. The Ctrl-N shortcut may also be used to create a new group. In the Create Group window, in the Identity section, specify a name for the group. In this example, we will use VMware_LNX_group. In the Group Type drop-down box, select VMware. Then select the Dynamic Association checkbox. The remaining identity options do not impact the dynamic association configuration. You can select what best fits your environment. In the Create Group window VMware section, select the appropriate vCenter from the drop-down list, or select the green plus icon to add a new vCenter. Then select the green plus icon at the bottom of the window to add a new rule. In the Create Rule window, specify a name for the rule, such as LNX_name_selection. In the Rule Definition section, click the Add button. Then ensure the rule definition includes the following: type equals virtual machine, property equals name, operator equals contains, and value equals lowercase lnx. Note that the rule definition value is case sensitive. This value will ensure that any virtual machine that contains the lowercase letters lnx in the virtual machine name will be selected. Click OK in the Create Rule window. The LNX_name_selection rule is now selected in the Create Group window. Click the Preview All Virtual Machines button to view the rule-based selected VMs. The Preview All Virtual Machines window shows all virtual machines that contain lowercase lnx in the name. When creating a new workflow, the Groups drop-down will now have the VMware_LNX_group available for selection. Once it is selected, the relevant VMware backup action can be created for the workflow. For further information, please refer to the knowledge base article number 157928 and the Dell NetWorker VMware Integration Guide. Thank you for watching.